Hello, good morning, dear children. See, children, this is the last video of chapter 2, The Sound of Music, part 2, The Shahnai of Bismillah Khan. In the previous three videos, I have already detailed up to paragraph 8. In this video, I am going to detail paragraphs 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So let's begin now. Paragraph 9. See the line awards and recognition. See, award is given thick and fast. Thick and fast. You know, children, what is thick and fast? It means he got a lot of awards and was recognized at many places. He was known, he was honored. Okay, recognized, he was honored at many places. So Bismillah Khan got a lot of recognition and was honored with many awards. Bismillah Khan, next line, Bismillah Khan became the first. Bismillah Khan performed all over the world. He performed in United States of America at the Lincoln Center Hall. He performed in Montreal, Australia in the World Exposition. What do you mean by exposition, children? It means a large public exhibition of art or trade goods. Okay. He performed at the Cannes Art Festival and he also performed in Japan at the Osaka Trade Fair. So these are all examples of Bismillah Khan wherever he has performed all over the world. So from this we have come to know he has performed all over the world. Moving to the next line, so well known. You can see Tehran is located in Iran. So when Bismillah Khan was so famous all over the world that in Tehran an auditorium has been named after him. See, a special auditorium was named after Bismillah Khan died. In his name, an auditorium has been made. Coming to paragraph 10, National Awards. There is a word given, conferred. What is the meaning of conferred? Conferred means given, usually an award or a degree. So, Ustad Bismillah Khan has been awarded with these national awards. What all national awards? Like the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan too. So, he has received many awards. Moving to paragraph 11. In 2011, Ustad Bismillah Khan. Moving to this paragraph. Now let's see the detailing of this paragraph. When Ustad Bismillah Khan received India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, in the year 2001, his eyes were shining. He was very happy because his hard work had been honored, recognized, and he gave an important message to the country. See, children, award is given coveted. You can see coveted. Coveted meaning much desired. Okay, much desired, much liked or desired. So he gave an important message to the country. He told all the Indians to teach music to their children. You can see here given his eyes glinting. What do you mean by glinting? Meaning shining. Okay, his eyes were shining with happiness. So he told all the Indians to teach to their children, to teach music to their children, because music is the richest tradition of India. You can see here given, it is the richest tradition of India. He said that even the Western countries wanted to learn India's music. See the West given. West means the Western countries also wanted to learn India's music. Now we are moving to paragraph 12. In spite of having traveled. See the line that although Ustad Bismillah Khan had traveled all over the world, he was given so much respect and honor, recognition. He remained rooted. Rooted means firmly. Banaras, where he learned music, and Dumrao, where he was born and brought up, were the two most wonderful towns of the world for him. He was so down to earth that although he had traveled all over the world, still he was attached to his birthplace. So it shows that he has great attachment with his birthplace. Now we are moving to the next line, a student of his. You can see the third line given, a student of his. See, there was a student of Bismillah Khan. Okay, there was a student of Bismillah Khan. See children, you have to pay attention to this paragraph because this is very important. So there was a student of Bismillah Khan and he wanted that Ustad Bismillah Khan should set up a Shahnai school in USA. See children, the student wanted that Bismillah Khan, his music must be popularized and Bismillah Khan should set up a Shahnai school in USA. The student promised that he would recreate means entertain, amuse the temple of Banaras in America for Ustad ji, as he would miss it, because we have already studied in the previous paragraph 12 the two main important places were Banaras and Dumrao, his birthplace and Banaras. These two places were very important in the life of Bismillah Khan and he has great attachment with these two places. So this child gave an offer to Bismillah Khan to set up a Shahnai school in USA, and the student also promised Bismillah Khan that he will create all the atmosphere and recreate the temple of Banaras in America for Bismillah Khan especially, because the student also knew that Ustad will miss his Banaras there. Now Ustad Bismillah Khan was attached to river Ganga also. So he asked his students, see the important line, Bismillah Khan asked his student that would he transport the river Ganga also to America? If Bismillah Khan will set up a Shahnai school in USA, can that student take the river Ganga to America? So he wanted to say that he could not leave India. He was attached not only to the temples of Banaras but also to the holy place, the holy river Ganga too. Now coming to the next line, later he is remembered. See children, one word is given, replicating. You can see replicating. Replicating meaning making a copy of something. Replicating meaning making a copy of something. So now we are coming to the last line of this paragraph. Later he is remembered. You can see Ustad Bismillah Khan said that whenever he visited any foreign country, he launched means wished, desired to see India. He wanted to return to India. In Mumbai, he yearned. See the word given, he yearned. What is the meaning of yearning? Yearning meaning longing, wanting. having a desire for something. So wherever he wanted to return to India, wherever he went in, abroad or a foreign country, he wanted to return to India in Mumbai. He yearned. Yearned means he desired to visit Banaras and the Ganga river. And when he was in Banaras, he missed his birthplace, Dumrao, and the Mutt, where he sang Chet and was rewarded with the laddu of 1.25 kg weight by the Maharaja. In the previous video, children, I have already given the meaning of Chet, that is the month, name of the month of March and April. Okay, so at that time when he sang the song, he played the Shanai, he got a laddu of 1.25. So it was his birthplace, Dumrao, and the Mutt. Children, what is the meaning of Mutt? See, actually Mutt also written as Mutt or Matha or Mutt is a Sanskrit word that means institute or college, and it also refers to a monastery in Hinduism, monastic life for spiritual studies or the pursuit of moksha. Traces its roots to the first millennium BC in the Vedic tradition. So children, earlier days, all the children, like we go to study in school, college, any institute, okay, earlier days the students, they went to Mutt and gained their knowledge. So gained is a Mutt is a Sanskrit word. Now coming to the last paragraph, 13, you can see Ustad Bismillah Khan's life. So here the writer says that Ustad Bismillah Khan was a perfect example of the rich cultural heritage of India. His work was beyond the religion barriers. Although he was a strict Muslim, he followed the Muslim laws, but every morning he would play the Shahnai at the Kashi Vishwanath temple, which was a Hindu temple. This shows that he didn't have the barriers of religion in his mind. He was a true Indian. He considered music to be India's richest cultural heritage. What do you mean by cultural heritage, children? Cultural heritage means it is an expression of the ways of living developed by a community and passed on from generation to generation, including customs, practices, pleasures, objects, artistic expressions, and values. So, cultural heritage, that is the way of living developed by a special community or by a group of people, and it is passed from generation to generation. Now children, there is also a word given. We can see here the word is devout. D-E-V-O-U-T. What do you mean by devout? Devout meaning believing strongly in religion and obeying its laws and following its practices. So Bismillah Khan was Muslim, but he followed all the laws of Muslim laws. Okay, so he was also a devout, believed strongly in a religion and obeyed its laws and followed all its practices. Now children, coming to the end of this chapter, last, Bismillah Khan had been ill for a long time and he died on 21st August 2006 at the age of 90. The entire country mourned. Mourned means feel regret, sadness about the loss, about the death of the legendary musician. There was a holiday for one day and he was given a state funeral. State funeral. Funeral means a ceremony or service held shortly after a person's death, usually the person's burial or cremation. Cremation meaning burning of dead body. So as per religion, some people bury the dead body and some burn the dead body, cremate the dead body. So when he also died, one day there was a holiday for one day, and the complete he was also given a state funeral. So children, that's the end of the chapter now. Bye to you all. Thank you.